Hey y'all, it is that time where we are kicking off Halloween here on the channel and I am so pumped, you guys. So obviously we're starting off with Medusa and I have been asked to do this in the past and I figured this year felt like a good one. So I am starting off by painting all my exposed skin green. I am using the Mehron Star Blend Cake Makeup in obviously the shade green to do this. You could obviously just do like a standard pretty green makeup look, but if I was going to go in, you guys, I was going to go in. I was like, nah, I'm painting myself green. And so that's exactly what I did. So do bear that in mind. You do not have to do this to be Medusa yourself. After I paint most of myself green, and I'm not gonna lie, I got lazy on the arms, you guys. I know you can see it, okay? But it took me a long time, okay? But I'm going in with the Mehron Clown White, and I'm using this as my concealer for this look. I'm patting it on with my fingers, as you can see here, in all my highlighting spaces. And then I'm just taking the same sponge that I used to put all the green on my face to kind of blend it out just so it wouldn't be too stark white and it would truly look kind of like a highlighter, if you will. You could obviously use a really light concealer or anything that you wanted for that, but I have these products and so I'm just going to use them. I am then taking my BH Cosmetics 88 Matte Palette, which is my just tried and true for Halloween season, you guys. I love this thing because it's got so many eyeshadows in it, and I literally just took a green shadow and crumbled it all the way up, and then I am setting all my green parts with it. I do kind of go back and forth between adding this eyeshadow and then with the Mehron Star Blend Cake Makeup, so the green stuff I was using to paint my skin, because with these contacts in, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I couldn't see that good, okay? I love these contacts. I will have everything I use linked down below, including the contacts and the products from Amazon. But as you can see in this video, you guys, these contacts, they were spinning all over the place. My eyes look crazy as hell. So I will say I probably wouldn't recommend these contacts, but I have used a ton from this company and I do really like them, but these ones were playing me. So now, for all the little scaly bits, I am using a wig cap. I think that's what it's technically called, like a fishnet wig cap. You could use true fishnet tights if you wanted, and I just pop this thing over my head looking as attractive as I possibly can, and I'm dipping back into that BH Cosmetics 88 Matte Palette, and there's like a gray black color in there, and I start by just popping this on. I eventually do take a true black shadow that I have, a single shadow, and kind of deepen up certain areas. You can use any colors that you want for this. I think this is such a great and cool technique because it's so easy to do and it truly looks awesome. So I'm putting like different patches on my forehead, on my jawline. I'm using it to contour, and so that's kind of what I was doing here. With a little help from my bestie who just so happened to pop by while I was filming, I am going to also do some of this on my shoulders and arms. Again, if you're not going to be doing this stuff all down your body, you do not have to do that, but I'm extra, but you guys know this. Now we're going to do a little nose contouring. I'm taking the same, you know, like gray shadow to do all this with because I figured if I'm going to have contouring on my cheeks and my chin, I might as well snatch this nose. And look at that thing, you guys. She's so skinny. And then now for the eyes, it's going to be super, super simple. I am taking this gray shadow from Makeup Geek. It's in the shade Concrete Jungle. And I'm just going to kind of put this all in my crease as well as on my outer corner and just kind of lay this down as my base. Oh my god, look at that contact, you guys. Oh my god, it's turned sideways. It's like the grossest thing I have literally ever seen. Oh my Christ. I know I probably shouldn't call attention to it, but I can't stop looking at it, so I'm going to make you guys look at it too. So after I have that all situated like I like, I'm also going to go ahead and run it underneath my lower lash line, as you can see here. From here, I am dipping into just a black eyeshadow. This happens to be Corrupt from Makeup Geek, one of my personal favorites. And I'm just going to start deepening up the outer corner and like slightly into the crease just for some added depth and definition. You guys know I tend to make my eye looks a little more complex. It's just kind of how I like to do my makeup. So you can do as much or as little as you want here, to be honest. And then for some reason I decided to zoom you in so you can get an extra close look at that creepy contact as it's twisting around in my eyeball, which I could not feel. It was so weird to like look in the mirror and be like, oh hey, my eye looks really funny. So anywho's, I am taking the Fenty Beauty Cognac Candy Diamond Balm Powder, and I am going to put this on my eyelid because I don't know about you guys, but anytime I think Medusa, I just think green and gold. And I love this product because it's meant to be like a body highlighter and things like that. It has no fallout, so I really enjoyed using it for this purpose instead of like a glitter. So I'm gonna put it all over my eyelid, and then I'm also gonna use it to kind of highlight all my high points. So I'm gonna put it on my cheekbones, above my brow. I'm going to use it on my brow bone as well as down my nose, you know, anywhere that you really want to highlight, just because I think it looks so cool and I think it really brings out the green as well. It's super fun and funky. And then again, in another super close-up thing in which you really can't see what I'm doing, I don't know what I was thinking, and contacts would throw me all the way off. I'm going to use this Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipstick in the shade Trick. It is one of my favorites for Halloween time because it's a super funky blue-green shade, and I think it went perfect for this look. And then, of course, your girl pops on lashes with everything. It's who I am. It's what I do. But you don't have to. I do think if you're going to paint yourself green like I did, I probably would recommend it. I think it would definitely bring out the look a little bit more. But if you're just going to do like a pretty green makeup look and go for more like glam, modern day Medusa, you could just do mascara if you wanted. And then there you have it, you guys. This is my Medusa all complete. I really love how it looked, especially, you know, when my contacts stayed upright and normal. So wouldn't recommend those again. I think there are definitely better ones on the website, but I hope you guys enjoyed this one. I hope you're excited to see what else I have in store for you this year. If you did like it, please, please, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.